Prime Minister Narendra Modi will launch the Surat Food Security Saturation Campaign in Surat this evening. Under the campaign, over 2.3 lakh beneficiaries will receive benefits under the National Food Security Act. Union Home Minister Amit Shah today inaugurated the coastal cyclothon Surakshit Tat Samridh Bharat virtually, which will begin from the west and east coast simultaneously. External Affairs Minister S. J. Shankar met with Irish President Michael D. Higgins on Thursday and conveyed President Draupadi Murmu's regards to him. The two leaders discussed the role of culture in strengthening ties between the two nations. Union Minister for Electronics and Information Technology Ashwini Vaishnaw on Thursday unveiled a series of AI-driven initiatives under the India AI Mission, marking a major step in strengthening India's artificial intelligence ecosystem. The US Supreme Court rejected a plea by Tahavur Rana, an accused in the 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks, seeking to block his extradition to India. Tahavur Rana, a Canadian national of Pakistani origin, had filed an emergency application for stay.